Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For
those of you, I thought I wasn't recording for a minute.
For those of you new here, my name is Donna, and for those of you not new, thank you so much for continuing to come back and support my channel. I appreciate you all so very much for being here. Today I am going to show you my mystery box from Midas. Y'all, this is how it showed up to me. Can you see all this? Number one, like, this is how it showed up, and I don't want to show you my address, but look at this box. Like, it is destroyed, and you guys can see that it is open. It's open because I wanted to make sure everything was okay in it. Number one, it showed up really late. It was a box that I ordered at the beginning of February, a Valentine's Day mystery box that I ordered at the beginning of February that didn't get to me until the 16th, the 18th, something like that. I don't know. It was the middle of last week. And this is how it arrived. It's disgusting. It's disgusting. And the mailman just kind of shoved it into my mailbox, which I was like, you asshat, because my mailbox is like, this box was like crunched.
Postal people have absolutely no respect for the fact that your parcels may or may not be fragile inside of them. Just saying.
So I did open it up to make sure everything was okay. I do think everything is okay in here, so we're going to dig in. I am super stoked because Midas is another one of the brands that's on my list to try this year. And they had this mystery box for Valentine's Day, and I was like, what a better way to try some of their stuff. I kind of feel like I'm saying the same thing over and over again because I think I said that very same sentence in my last video when I was talking about Kaleidos, which, by the way, this is the Angelica Nyquist Club Nebula palette with Kaleidos, and I cannot be more proud of how this eye look turned out. And I will have a video that goes up shortly, or just posted a video. I will link it up in the cards for you if it's already posted, so that you can go watch it. And I do a 3 looks 1 palette with the palette, and I love it. Spoiler, I love this palette. So I'm hoping that I feel the same way about Midas. So this is the Valentine's Day mystery box that I ordered from Midas. And if you guys do not know, the Valentine's Day mystery box was $50, and you were ordering this mystery box that could be full of just about anything. And I'm really excited. It did come like this, and at the top of it, it had a really cute little Valentine's Day card. It says, to someone special, and then you open it up and it has stuff. The great thing about this card is that I can reuse it, obviously, because they didn't sign it or anything, which is so cute. But what a cute little detail from like a brand. I love it. Like, the thought processes that go behind a shipment made from an indie brand are so special and just spectacular. In addition to that, I did get this as well. It is a thank you card, and it does say, hi gorgeous, we hope you enjoy your order. Don't forget to share your looks and tag us. And then it just gives an about us. It says Midas Cosmetics is an Afro-Latina owned indie brand founded in 2018 by Rocio Nunez. The brand focuses on inclusivity and diversity by working with and giving a platform to a range of artists. Midas wants every person and every skin tone to feel loved, appreciated, and celebrated. Sincerely, Midas Cosmetics. I think that that is a really sweet card. And thank you, Midas Cosmetics, because I looked at this and was floored by the amount of stuff that's in here. You guys, look at this mystery box. Like, I was shocked that it had so much stuff in it and could not wait to dig in with you. So the first thing out of the gate is I saw 3 brushes in there, right? So we do have this Midas Cosmetics bronzer brush. This is the Bronze 1127. And it does have a really nice little dude on it. This looks like a very nice brush. It's very stiff, but also not stiff. So I love that about it. And I'm going to try and put this guy back on here because I don't want this brush to lose its shape. especially in light of the fact that I may not be using it right away. But I thought that that was a really nice, 3 brushes. Y'all know I'm kind of a brush hoarder. This one is the Midas Cosmetics set. It's the brush 1130, and this is like a slim fluffy brush. Probably used for like setting underneath your eyes and stuff like that. I don't set my makeup necessarily. I do have super dry skin, and those of you not new here know that I don't use powder very often, but I will find a purpose for this brush. I do like that shape for bronzer even. And this one didn't come with one of those little dudes on it, but that's okay. This is the brush, and it says Sculpt, so it's a contour brush. 1126 is this is a wee bit flimsy in my opinion for something like contour, but I would use this as a blush brush for sure. 3 brushes, and then I also got a makeup sponge, and I kind of really just dig the little holder that it's in. This is really cool. So I do have makeup sponge in here. It's just like Beauty Blender teardrop shape. I love the little holder because if it just had like a hole punched in, oh, it does. It has little holes up here. This is a perfect little travel holder. Those of you not new here know that I typically travel for my job, so in a non-pandemic way. So I did also get 2 pairs of lashes, and I'm not a lash wearer right now, but I do want to be a lash wearer, and I promised myself I would give lashes another go this year because I'm not a lash girl, but I want to be a lash girl. So these are the Midas Cosmetic lashes, and one is really, really beautiful, but really, really bold too. So I'm just not sure how this is going to go over. This one, I don't even think that it lists a style. I don't see a style listed, but those are those lashes. Those are so bold. Like, I'm not sure. I'm not sure about those guys. What I will say though too is that the band looks super thick, which I appreciate but don't appreciate all at the same time. A thick band is really super easy for me to apply my glue to, especially coming from a person who doesn't wear lashes. But a thick band is also super hard to hide, and it feels a little heavy on my lids. I do have really sensitive eyes though. And then this pair, I actually quite love the band size on this one. It is a little bit thinner, but still thick enough that I feel like you could have an easy time putting glue on them. Again, it doesn't say like the style of them, but those are them right there. They're just really wispy and really, like, I feel like they're a lot more natural than, I mean, even though they're glam, I feel like they're a lot more natural than some of the other more natural glam lashes that I have in my collection. I did get 5 pots of glitter, which is exciting. I don't typically do glitter because I'm terrified of it. But these are pretty, and you always know that you're going to get some stuff that you like and stuff that you don't like in these mystery boxes, so I'm not faulting anybody. I do think that this is really pretty glitter for sure. This is Razzleberry, and this looks like really super finely milled, hot pink, beautiful, like iridescent glitter. I don't know if you guys can see the different like colorings in there of that glitter. And then this one is called Icy, and this is more of like a body glitter. It is little white hearts. Probably can't see that, but that one is a white heart glitter. This one is so pretty. It's also kind of a body glitter. This is called Forever, and it is like a light pink with different colored heart glitters in there. Again, a body glitter. This would be something good to put on like your face, your cheekbone. I love the like Valentine's nature of it. This one is called Ruby. Again, a body glitter. It is red hearts. So pretty. And then this one is called Savage. I love Savage. I love that. I have a friend that used to call me a savage mama bear because I kind of am. And it looks like it's kind of like, I don't know, it's silver glitter hearts, but it almost looks green, but I think that's just like the iridescence of it. Oh, it's so pretty. Yep, called Savage. So 5 glitters I got, and only one of those is, you know, okay enough that you could wear it on your eyes if you wanted to get a good glitter glue, and you're probably good. But I would say it doesn't say anything about whether it's eye safe or not. It's probably not eye safe. Oh, yep, it does. Not intended for cosmetics use. So there you go. All of them say that. I did notice it on the other ones, but I didn't notice it on that one at first. So then I got these 4 items here, and these are, they're labeled gloss icing. What? I think these are glosses, which I love lip glosses. So I did get 4 of those, you guys. I can't even begin to fathom how much this is worth. I'm gonna have to go onto their website. Oh, I do have a little glitter stuck to my finger right here. I'm gonna have to go onto their website so that I can put the final total for what this box is worth down there for you. Oh my god, this is so pretty. This is in the shade Strawberry. You guys, look at how beautiful this gloss is. It's like peachy, pinky, like shiny beautifulness. Oh my god, that is so pretty. I cannot wait to put this on my lips. Again, that one was called Strawberry. And then this one, which is called Classic, and it is just a clear gloss. I do love that. I don't have very many clear glosses in my repertoire. I think I maybe have one. This one is called Meringue. Oh, that's pretty too. A really pretty, just white, like glittery, like pretty, like iridescentness to it. A little bit hollow. And then this one is in the shade Almond. And it is so pretty. This is like a brown with like gold glitterness in there. Oh, they're so pretty. You guys, I love gloss, so they won my heart with these glosses. But also these components are really rather cool. So you guys can see that it's got this gold, like, you know, cap to it that is circular, but the component is actually square. So it's kind of like that illusion, but I don't know. I dig the component. I think it's beautiful. I also think that these shades are beautiful. I'm going to get use out of every single one of them for sure. And then the last thing in here is 2 palettes. You guys, I got 2 palettes in this box. Like, I am so excited because honestly, these were 2 palettes that I was looking at to purchase. And they are the Midas Cosmetics Artistry Palette Volumes 1 and 1.2, it looks like. So that is what these look like. The packaging wise, this is Volume 1. It looks like this. And the inside looks like this. Just saying, it reminds me kind of this color on my eyes, only a little more like purple. And then this one is Volume 1.2, which until I held them up to each other, I looked at them separately and I could see a smidge bit of a difference, but not a lot of bit of a difference if I'm honest. But then I held them up to each other. So I'm going to do that for you. So this is 1.2 and this is 1. So I'm hoping that you guys can see the difference. I mean, looking at it in the mirror or in the monitor right now, I don't see a lot of a difference. But I will tell you that one looks a little more light than the other. So this one looks a little more pastel than this one. This one is a little more bright and has this beautiful shade right here, which looks a lot more periwinkle than it does in the monitor, to be honest. And then this one, which that shade there looks like a baby blue, that looks like a mint, that looks like a lilac. In real life, that looks like a periwinkle and kind of like a, maybe a Kelly green. And then this is definitely kind of a magenta. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. I definitely can see a difference in real life, but man, looking at the monitor, they don't look much different. They are, I promise you. But I am like truly shocked at what I got for $50 in this box. Midas Cosmetics, chef's kiss. You guys did a dang good job because I am excited. So with that said, you guys, that is my Midas unboxing. I told you I was going to come to you and show you what I got. And like, I can't even hold it all. I can't even hold it all in the two hands I have. So I could not be happier with what I received from Midas. I'm so excited to use these items, and I'm so excited to come back to you and tell you my thoughts on the items. And I'm so excited to cross another brand off my list. And if I love them, then I will be purchasing more because their customer service was great. I think that this box came to me with just some special touches that I didn't anticipate. And I mean, had so much value to it, so much value. So I have to be honest, I think I definitely got my $50 worth, if not like twice that. Just looking at this, even though it is an indie brand, even though indie brands are pretty expensive, and even though their markup might look like whatever it looks like I have received mystery boxes that didn't excite me as much as this one did. So Midas did a really good job with this mystery box. I love this mystery box, and I can't wait to put this stuff on my face. So with that said, you guys, let me know what you think down in the comment section. I would love to hear from you down there. I hope that you liked this video, and I hope that you liked it enough that you're considering giving it a big thumbs up. I hope that you also consider subscribing to my channel before you go. If you do that, please don't forget to hit that notification bell. It will remind you every single time I upload a video, and I do upload content multiple times a week. I would hate for you to miss anything. Again, thank you guys so much for coming. I hope 2021 is treating you kindly so far. I hope that you are all well and staying healthy and wearing your mask when you're out there in public, if for no other reason but to protect yourself. And it's only a little bit longer, hopefully, and then we won't have to do this anymore. I hope that you all are loving each other, but loving each other from afar. And until next time, guys, bye.